Indian lesson. Today we learn about one poem. Before starting the poem, we'll say the prayer. All of you close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly open your eyes and all of you open your textbook, page number 21. Poem number 2, Trees. And the poet name is Shirley Baud. Poet name is Shirley Baud. Okay, before starting the poem, there is some pre-reading task. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of the trees that you know or you have heard of. Do you know the names of different trees? Surrounding you, what are the trees are there? Can you tell me some names? For example, coconut tree, mango tree, tamarind tree, yes, palm tree. There are so many trees are there. And do you know what are the uses and what are the materials we use from the trees? Isn't it? For example, if we take the coconut tree means we use the coconut, isn't it? Next, coconut water we use, coconut leaves we use for to make the hut, isn't it? And even also to make the broomstick we use coconut that leaves, isn't it? So like that there are so many uses are there from tree. For example, the trunk of the coconut tree. We use the trunk of trees to make the furnitures, isn't it? So from tree we get so many advantages. There is no disadvantages, only we get advantages from tree. For example, even though if we can get the oxygen from the tree only, isn't it? The trees all have take the carbon dioxide. This is the unwanted gas or the unwanted air. Carbon dioxide is unwanted air that is taken by the tree, and the trees gives us the oxygen to breathe. This is the main important thing is oxygen, isn't it? That oxygen we get from the trees. Like this, so many advantages are there. Make a list of advantages of trees, okay, and uses of trees. Okay. Next, as I told you, what does the trees gives us? So many things we get from the trees. Fruits, leaves. Yes. From mango tree, we get mangoes. Even though mango leaves, we can use for the decoration purpose also. Like this, so many advantages are. Make a list of that. List out of that. Okay. Shall I start the poem? Okay. Now coming to the poem, see, observe the picture. Here there are so many trees and birds and some girls are playing the swing in your textbook, isn't it? Two girls are playing in the swing and birds. How beautiful nature, it looks very beautiful, isn't it? For example, the teacher or the sir told you to draw the nature paint. So, first upon what you will draw? What comes in your mind? Yes, first you will go to draw the tree, isn't it? First you draw tree and mountains, sun, nature drawing, you will do it. And most of the children like to paint the nature drawing, isn't it? So our nature is very beautiful, so you need to enjoy the nature as well as. Okay, trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in. Okay, here trees are for birds. Here, how can we get so many advantages from the trees? Like that, even though birds also get the advantages from the trees, isn't it? To build a nest, where the birds will build the nest? In the tree only, isn't it? So, trees are for birds. For the birds, tree only their home. They build their houses in the tree only, isn't it? Okay, next, trees are for children. Why trees are for children? What is the uses children get from the trees? For example, you wanted to play in the summer season. There is a very too much hot is there in the nature. Which one you will prepare in the summer season? The shadow of the tree, isn't it? On the below the large huge tree, the children will play under the tree, isn't it? So like this, the children's trees are for children's, means children's will get the advantage from trees. Trees are to make trees houses in. Trees are to make tree houses in. What does it mean? Trees are to make tree houses. Tree houses, have you seen the tree houses? On the top of the tree, we can build the one short hut also, upper side. On the branch of the tree, we can build small houses to stay for some time. Have you seen, all of you have might seen in the some sceneries or the some films, isn't it? Okay. Next, trees are to swing, swings on. Trees are to swing, swings on. For example, during the Nagara Panchami season, where you will play the swings? Some people will prepare the swing on the trees, isn't it? They take one rope and tie to the trees. For example, tamarind tree or the banyan tree, they tie one rope and prepare the swing. Swing means Jokali. Yes, during the Nagara Panchami, this is the festival of girls. The main symbol of this festival is to play the swings and eat the ladus, different types of ladus, isn't it? So swings. Even the indoor swing feels different and the outdoor swing feels very nice to the heart and the mind, isn't it? Below the tree, open air. These all things matters a lot, isn't it? Okay. Next, trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Means we all get air from the trees only. We get oxygen from the trees, isn't it? So, for that, the poet said that here, trees are for the wind to blow through. Means trees are blowing the wind. Next, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Do you all know that what is the hide and seek? ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಟ hide and seek? ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಾಲೆ. So, trees are to hide behind. So, whenever you are playing the hide and seek, that time your friends or your sister, your brother used to hide behind the trees because no one can find out you, isn't it? If you hide behind the tree means you cannot visible to them, isn't it? So for that, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are there to hide behind. Trees are to have a tea parties under. See how nicely the poet described here. Trees are to have a tea parties under. Tea party. Have you seen some tea stalls under the trees? So, wherever some big trees are there, below that there is some tea stalls, tea stall, what we call it as a tea stall. Okay, how nice, how great feeling it is, no? Below the tree having a hot drink, isn't it? So for that the poet described here, trees are to have a tea party, like a small just a tea party to have the trees. Next, trees are for kites to get caught in. While you are playing the kites, so trees are for kites to get caught in. So when you are flying the kites, if something happened to the kites means that will caught under the trees, some big trees. When your kite is flying over the sky, so if the thread cut means it will fall through the tree. Yes, trees are to make a cool shade in summer. As I told you before, during the summer season, we get to so many hot from the sun, isn't it? That time we are searching for the cool weather. Where you will get cool weather during the summer season? Below the shade of the tree. isn't it? So under the tree you can get the cool weather, cool breeze. Next, trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Means in winter what happens? No shade. Shading means what? So during the winter, all the leaves of the trees will fall down, isn't it? So here the poet described that trees are to make no shade in winter. There is no shade during the winter on the trees. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are for apples, means apples. From where we get apples? We get apple from the trees. Yes, usually in Kashmir, there is so many trees are there in the Kashmir, especially apple trees. Those are all of the apple trees. For example, if you wanted to get the fresh apple, juicy apple means the Kashmir is famous for apples. Kashmiri apple is famous. Okay. Next, trees are to chop down and call timber. Okay. And also pears. Pears means what we call it as the peri hannanta ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So all fruits, not only apples, not only pears, not only mangoes, each and every fruits we get from the trees only, isn't it? So next, trees are to chop down and call. So when you chop down means cut down. So when you cut down the trees, we get the timber. Timber means to make the furniture from that wood, that is call it as the timber, or we call it as the some plywoods and trunks. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೇರ್, ಟೇಬಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸೋಫಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಎದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವನ್ನ? All from the tree only. So that is called as the timber. Here they have given the long stress to the RR, timber. Okay. Next, trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make mother to say, what a lovely picture to paint. So while starting this poem, I had told you that if someone told you to draw the paint of a nature, means first thing will come into mind is that is the trees only, isn't it? So by seeing your drawing, your painting, your mother will say that what a lovely picture to paint. Means by saying the nature, your mother say that what a lovely picture to paint. Means such a beautiful sight it is, you can draw this. That would your mother would like to say. Next, trees make a father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Trees make, ಈ trees ಮದರ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಂದೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Means rake means this is an instrument. New word, rake. Means it is an instrument. Garden instrument. Rake means garden instrument. For example, to cleaning the purpose, this rake will use. So, for example, who cleans the garden in your home? For example, you are having the garden in front of your home. Who cleans that garden? Usually, your father or the grandfather, isn't it? So, the trees make the father what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಎಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದುರಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಈ ಒಂದು ರೇಕ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಲೆಗಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, got my point? Understood the poem? So this poem is completed. So how nice, no? This poem is totally about the trees only. So I have told you the advantages of trees, uses of trees, isn't it? So many uses. Here they have mentioned only few of them. Still you can find out some more. We get flowers from trees, we get fruits from trees, we get stems from trees, we get seeds from trees, isn't it? So many things we get from trees. So finally, what you will give to the trees? What you will give to the trees? Only unwanted having more and more tree means we get so much of oxygen, isn't it? So as much as possible plant trees and save the trees. Okay, thank you.